Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Glenn Hukowski and this is Glenn Now on YouTube. And if you have never been to my channel, I basically do a lot of mini lathe work. And that's what I wanted to talk about today. I ran across a lot of still shots and short videos of when I built the base for my mini lathe. And that's kind of what I wanted to show everybody. A bunch of still shots and how I went about building this thing. I mean, I really liked the idea of putting this on an antique cast iron base from the 1800s. You're not going to find anything like that anymore. So I went ahead and I tried building one. Here, take a look at this thing. I tried to duplicate the style of legs that the old machines had. I made all this out of wood. And this black part, this is all a cabinet I had built. But I thought I'd show everybody how I went about building this thing. Here, it's going to be a quick video, but let's get into this. I don't know if any of you guys ever seen any of the flat belt lathes from the 1800s, but I've always liked that heavy duty lathe bed. I'm making, out of wood of course, a mock-up of one of those old machines. And this is going to be my bench for my extended version mini lathe. This is sort of the way it's going to look, but that's just the outside of the legs. I have a lot of contouring to do. All of my radiuses are this pan over here and over here, and the other radiuses are coffee can. It's the easiest way to do it. I made marks and hopefully the two sides come out the same. Okay, let me get into this. There's one side. That wasn't too bad. And there we have it. This is the first leg all the ribs put together. Well, that was how I went about building all of this. I could have probably got in more detail, but trying to do the work and take all them small videos and snapshots, all that got in the way of actually building it. But I hope you enjoyed this quick little video and how I went about making my mini lathe machine base. So, until next time, enjoy.